Guys, bonjour, assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my channel. So we are at the right day, guys. So this video have to be delayed because all the issues that we've been having on the right day system, guys. So I actually went earlier in the week, and my sell the items were not producing the bonus cash, so I actually have to return those stuff and then retake it and then do in the different accounts, guys, and show you these deals. So anyway, we're going to be starting with the Poise promotion that I am sharing with you right here. So they are on sale for two for $10, and then when you purchase four, you're gonna get $5 in bonus cash right here, guys. And remember, we did have that monthly promotion like last week that we did, so or a week before. So the same monthly deal is still going on. I believe it's going on until the 5th. So it's going to double dip. So we're going to get $5 for doing the monthly deal, and then $5 for doing the weekly deal. So that's $10. We're going to pick up four of these right here for $20. Okay, guys, so this is what I'm picking up right now, because my store, as you can see, was really empty out of the pad. So it's basically the liners that we have available, and I did print these $3 off of a one from coupons.com that you could print it from. They're still available if you want to, and we also have an insert version of those coupons. So anyway, I'm using four of those $3. That's going to take off a total of $12 out of our 20. So that will leave me to pay $8, guys, and then I'm gonna get the $5 for the monthly, and then the $5 for the weekly for purchasing four of these Poise item. We do have the U by Kotex included, but we don't have no coupons for U by Kotex. Okay, guys, so let's get started with this spend 30 get $10 in bonus cash with the PNG promotion right here that we got going on. So as you guys can see, the limit is 2, but I'm just gonna do the deal one time. I'm gonna be picking up one of these ties right here. They are priced at $5.94, so I'm picking one of them. That will be using this $2 off of one that we got from the PNG insert, guys. So this is gonna take off $2. So let's go get the rest of the item. I'm going to be picking up Downy products right here. I was gonna take two ties, but I only have one insert that have the tie products, so the laundry care. So I'm gonna be picking up the Downy right here and use the $2 that came in this week's insert as well, guys. So that's gonna take off $2 for the Downy. Okay, guys, so the next item we're going to be picking up for our PNG deal is going to be the Crest gum or Crest Brilliant, or even the toothbrushes are included, select ones. So I'm gonna be picking up this one for $6.99, guys. I am going to use the digital coupon $3 off of one. I'm just showing you here that the toothbrushes are included, and then we do have $2 off of one from the PNG insert if you would like to use the toothbrushes instead of the toothpaste, but I am going to take the toothpaste. Okay, guys, so the next PNG product that we're going to be using is going to be on this secret aluminum free deodorant right here. They are buy one get one half off, and these are priced $7.49 in my store. So the two will equals $11.23, and I was gonna use that BOGO coupon, but because they are on buy one get one half off, I don't know how it's gonna work, so I'm just gonna use the digital coupon that we have for $5.99 off of a two. Okay, guys, so this is my complete PNG promotion deal. So I got the Tide, I got the Downy Unstoppable, I got the Crest, and I got two secret deodorant. So my total for everything, guys, is $30.10, and I'm gonna use the $3 off of one digital coupon for that, and then the $5.99 digital coupon for those, and then I'm going to use the $2 for the Downy, and then also a $2 for the Tide products. Okay, So that will leave me to pay $17.11, and I should get back $10 in bonus cash, making them to be just $7.11. But we are going to have some money makers, so it will be worth it. Okay guys, so let's do this deal right here. So select Crest toothpastes are on promotion for $2.99, and when you buy one, you're gonna get $1 in bonus cash, and the limit for that is two. So I'm picking up two of them right there, and I'm going to be using this $2 off of a one. I'm using two of these right here, so that will take off $4, leaving me to pay $1.98 and get back $2 in bonus cash, making them free plus a 2 cents money maker. Okay guys, I really want to show you guys this deal. I was almost gonna do it instead of doing the P&G deal, but then I decided to do this the P&G instead. So if you want to do the soft soap, hand soap, they are buy one get one free, and they are priced like $3.39 inside my store. So I was gonna pick up like four of them. I will have to buy two, and then two will be free, and use four of these coupons right here, and then I will be paying around like $4.80 around there, and then that will be going towards like some money makers that I'm gonna talk to you guys about, like right here, the Nature's True vitamin E sticks. We're going to be using this to take advantage of the buy one get one free. So they are buy one get one free. I'm picking out four of them and use four of these $2 off of a one, and that will give me a $4 in overage that I'm gonna use towards my P&G deal. And we also gonna submit our receipt in Ibotta for $2 back on any Nature's Truth product. So that's what my money maker is already like $6 money maker right there, just by the Nature's Truth products. So definitely take advantage of those Nature's Truth sticks. So I'm going to show you guys like a clearance that I find right here. These cookies right here, they are on clearance, guys. So the regular price is 99 cents, and they are expiring on September the 15, so 2021. So they do to expire soon, so if you're gonna be using them right away, then definitely. Okay guys, so this conclude everything I'm picking up this week at Rite Aid, guys. So I'm doing the P&G deal, and I'm also doing my Poise deal, and then the Nature's Truth vitamin E sticks, and then my Crest deal. So for the Nature's Truth vitamins, I'm using four of those coupon, right? So, and then for the rest of the products right here, I got the Downy and the Tide, and I'm going to be using the Poise coupon, $3 off of the Poise. I'm using four of these right here, okay? And then I'm also going to be using the Crest coupon for the $2 off of one. I'm using two of those right there for those Crest. For the other one, the gum, I have the $3 digital, and then for the Secret aluminum free deodorant, I am going to use that $5 off of a $5.99 off of a two digital coupon, okay? So because of the BOGO free reason, that's why I'm using the digital, and then I'm using those for the Gain, and then not Gain, guys, the Downy, and then the Tide, okay? So let's go check out and see how everything turns out. Okay guys, so I just finished checking out right here, and this is my transaction that we're going to go over. So let's take a look. So I did end up picking up two of those cookies right here. They did ring for 25 cents, so I end up paying 50 cents for them. So that's that. I did that transaction by itself, and then this is my whole transaction right here. All my coupons scan perfectly fine, guys, and all my digitals apply, as you guys can see right there. The digital coupon for the $3 off of the Crest gum did apply, and the rest of my vitamin E sticks, all of them scan with no issues. I'm going down here, and then we got the Poise coupons, they all scan with no problem. And then my digital coupon also $5.99 off of the Secret aluminum deal came off. So as you guys can see, I did end up paying $23.07. I did use my bonus cash to pay, and then I gained $22 in bonus cash, and look what print out for me, $11 off of 55. I'm also have to submit my receipt, so I bought it for the $2 back for the Nature's Truth vitamin. And that's that, guys. If you'll find the video helpful, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed, consider subscribing to the channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys, have a great day.